Hi everyone, it's Melissa, and today is Monday Mashup. This is Study Stack. It's a website for teachers and students where your students can learn, review, memorize, and work with information in a fun and engaging way. Now, you'll need to start by creating a free account, and your students will do the same. Once you've done that, you'll click on Dashboard. You'll notice several tabs. We're interested in Create a New Stack. You are able to search for existing stacks of information, but I would be very careful with that because you can't guarantee the accuracy of what other teachers or other students have entered. So I'm going to, as a teacher, stick with Create a New Stack. We'll click that button and then begin by giving our stack a name, a description. You'll choose the type of information you're working with, if it's a term and definition or a question answer, or you can set up the kinds of information and it gives you a little help button for that. Also here, you will choose different options and save changes. Next, click on Data, and here's a shortcut. You're going to call up all of your Google Docs, your Word documents that you have for existing reviews, worksheets, activities, practice lessons, and you're going to use a dual screen or a split screen and simply copy the question, paste it in, copy the answer, paste it in. So you're copying and pasting information from your existing worksheets into this area. You can add blank rows if you need more space, save changes, you're ready to share it out with students. It's ready to go. I've just searched for an example for time's sake for this video. This is a term and definition matching activity, where it works best with a matching activity, but it would be a term and definition grouping of information. I'm going to call your attention to the bottom. These are the activities that are available for students to practice with. These are sort of the games that they can choose from, if you will. What I will tell you is that not all of the games work as well as others for different types of information, and I'll show you what I mean. The other thing I want to call your attention to is the ads that are running on each side of this platform, of this program. In my experience, every school I've worked in has had filtering software that eliminates the ads or either blanks them out so that nothing appears. I will tell you that I've seen ads pop up with women in intimate wear. So that's something that you probably want to check with your tech department, or either get on a student computer and just make sure that they're not seeing these ads that are popping up, or that your district has software that's blocking those ads. So just check that ahead of time. All right, let's click on flashcards, and this is just like any other flashcard program you've seen. What caught my attention was the know and don't know buttons, where students can just very easily click don't know, and then they can go back and work on those specifically. There's the restart, the shuffle, the timer, and the ways that they can change showing the answer or showing the term. Let's go back to the matching. And so this is a picture reveal matching activity. If we click on this and then the correct match, it will begin to uncover and reveal an image. If we go here, you can see that the picture begins to reveal. If I choose the wrong answer in combination, it gives them the red flash. So that's the matching. If I wanted to show or try out snowman, that's the alternative, snowman or caveman, to our familiar hangman. The only problem I see with this information working here is students have to click show the hint, and then they have to know how to spell the term, which means they have to either have a word bank or have memorized and be a good speller. So I'm not sure that that's probably the best activity for this, but it might be something that your kids are able to do and enjoy. Crossword, again, the terms aren't shown here, and so students either have to have that word bank or have a working knowledge of the terms. Type in is a closed reading type activity. If you go to quiz, that's the standard quiz format. Test, This is a combination of matching and type in the answer. And that's going to be good practice, test practice, especially for your students who maybe have some test anxiety. There's Study Stack, Study Table. So it just puts the information in different formats for students to work with. And again, some of these formats work better with information than others. That'll be just something you'll want to try out. If you've used Study Stack before with success and you have tips and ideas, share those with us. If you're new to Study Stack and decide to use it, give us a report. Let us know how things went. I'm curious to see if your students really enjoy this as much as mine did. All right, guys, I hope you have a great week ahead, and I'll talk to you soon.